In the previous weeks, I created a few 3D NFT collections, mainly voxel characters in voxel art, inspired by Minecraft and sandbox games. I started the challenge, creating new NFTs every single day, and in this video I'm going to do something unexpected, transforming voxel art into smoother shapes. As an inspiration, I chosen Meebits, 3D NFT collection from the guys who made CryptoPunks, one of the most popular NFT collections nowadays. So let's just recreate one voxel character and then I will show you how it looks with smoother shapes. Now, using subdivision surface and smooth effect, let's make this voxel art more pleasing to the eye. Typical voxel art with sharp blocks looks really special and is highly appreciated by NFT community. Maybe one of the reasons is because voxel art is connected with top games, for example Minecraft. But if you'd like to have NFT collection that brings new fresh vibe to the NFT world, then that kind of style, smooth voxel art, could be very appealing. But of course, as always, everything depends on your preferences, and there is a room for every style in NFT art. If you want to create your own NFT collection that you can sell on any NFT marketplace such as OpenSea, and you need some help, feel free to contact me. I can create for you 100% original NFT collection, including metadata, ERC-721, Solana or Cardano. In the next video, I'm going to create more voxel characters to develop my 3D NFT collection, Voxel Friends. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Enjoy!